Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. This is your Power Hour update for July 13th, 2021. I'm Richard Allen, and there's a lot of news to cover today, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm sorry if you missed me. I've been gone. I went to Peru for almost a week. It was great. I did a lot of hiking. I went up a 17,000 foot mountain. It's pretty amazing, actually. Lots of great stuff. But I'm back Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for your Power Hour update. Today, we have a lot of news to cover. We have Nokia in the news, Boeing, Tesla, of course, and Elon Musk in court. We're going to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about the CPI numbers that were just released, and the headlines look crazy. So stick around for that at the end. And then, of course, we'll cover your top losers and gainers in the market. Let's jump right over to tipranks.com. We're going to cover the major indices first. We have the S&P 500 down 0.22% today, followed by the Dow Jones down exactly 0.22% as well as of this recording, and the NASDAQ pretty much flat. But the NASDAQ today hit 15,000 points for the first time. Very, very fantastic news for the NASDAQ. So the tech sector is coming back with a fury, everybody. All right, and then BTC, we'll talk about that as well. They are down today 0.7%, trading just under 33,000 per Bitcoin. All right, in news today, we have Nokia planning to raise their fiscal year 2021 guidance, and shares are jumping. You'll see that in the top gainers. Nokia is up there because they are up 9% on the day. Nokia, ticker symbol NOK, comes in with a strong buy rating based on 12 analyst ratings with an average upside of 3% for Nokia. All right, Boeing. This was a headline that I didn't want to see because I've been on 6 airplanes in the past 5 days. Boeing to halt 787 production amid structural problems. It's never something you want to see right after you've been on, maybe right before you go on airplanes. But even right after, it makes you a little nervous, you know? In fact, a flight on the way back from Lima, Peru, got canceled the night before for some issues with windshield wipers or something. Very scary stuff. But Boeing is down today, almost 3% on the day. However, this does come in with a moderate buy based on 17 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 17% for ticker symbol BA. All right, in other news, guys, we have Tesla in news. Musk is in court defending the acquisition, the $2.6 billion acquisition of Solar City and Tesla. And it's kind of a weird scenario because Solar City was owned by Elon Musk and his cousins. So at the time of the acquisition, Solar City wasn't doing very well. So some of the Tesla shareholders got in a bandwagon together and they said, look, we want our $2.6 billion back. Now, give it to us. And they're trying to take it from Musk, essentially. So court is back in session after someone threw up today in court. I don't know what's going on. But Musk is in the news again, obviously. Because of that, Tesla is down slightly on the day, down 2.5% on the day. Still coming in with a hold rating based on 23 analyst ratings with an average downside of 8.4%. But look at that. We always talk about it when we talk about Tesla, the disparity between what the analysts think about where Tesla's going to be in the next 12 months. $67 is the low and $1,000 is the high. Wow. And as a Tesla shareholder, I hope it doesn't go down to $67. All right, let's talk about inflation. That's the last bit of news before we talk about the top losers and gainers in the market, guys. The inflation numbers have jumped. Here's the headline. The largest jump since August 2008. Looks pretty ominous, right? Because in 2008, that's when we had the big market crash, when real estate started tanking and everybody lost their jobs and it looked really bad, right? However, when you dig deeper into the inflation numbers, there's a big sector of the economy that takes up most of these inflation numbers. In fact, let's scroll down here. Used car sales. Look at this. Used car sales. Where is it? I'm going to find it here in a second. Used car sales rose 10% month over month, and 45% over the last 10 months. 45%. That's insane. Guys, so the CPI numbers, these inflation numbers, look much worse than they really are in the grand scheme of things. But like we talked about last month, essentially the media has their headlines to say, oh my God, it's the worst since 2008, or it's the worst since, in the case of, like food, it's the worst since 1991. So food prices have gone up quite a bit as well. So there are some sectors of the economy that are, the prices are rising much faster than others. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, inflation is still kind of ticking along at what the Fed expects it to be, which they've kind of altered it to 3.4% over the next 12 months. So that's where we're at for inflation. Let's talk about the biggest losers and gainers in the market today. Number one on the list, down 50%. And I want you guys to tell me if any of you guys got in on this. You might not be happy today, but this company here, SGOC or SGOCO Group, is down 50% today. It looks pretty bad, right? However, they are still up 300% over the past week. So I want you guys, let me know down in the comments if any of you guys rode the wave on this SGOC. Are you holding? Did you sell out today when it started tanking? Let me know down in the comments. Number two on the list, we have Apollo Medical Holdings, ticker symbol AMEH, down almost 12% on the day. We have Olink Holding, ticker symbol OLK, down almost 11% on the day. Followed by Two Harbors in the fourth spot, ticker symbol TWO, down almost 10% on the day. And then we have Shoals Technology Group, ticker symbol SHLS, rounding out the top five there for your biggest losers. All right, top gainers on the list. We have in the number 5 spot, 360 Finance, ticker symbol QFIN, up 6.5% on the day. We have Full Truck Alliance, ticker symbol YMM, up almost 8% on the day. Followed by Global E Online, ticker symbol GLBE, up almost 9% on the day. And then Nokia, one of the companies we profiled in news, ticker symbol NOK, up just over 9% on the day. And the number 1 spot, guys, we have Zhu, ticker symbol ZH, up just over 10% on the day. Thank you so much for joining me for another Power Hour update. I'm sorry I was gone so long. I barely got any sleep. I did a ton of hiking. I saw Owetetambo, which is an amazing historical site of the Incans. Machu Picchu, obviously. Got a lot of great pictures. And then the last day we did Rainbow Mountain, which was the 17,000 foot hike, which was absolutely the craziest thing I've ever done physically. It was super, super difficult because of the oxygen levels up there. But it was super, super fun. So thank you and forgive me for being gone so long. But I will see you tomorrow for another Power Hour update at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do that because you're going to see more of me. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.